Hello everyone, in front of me is INFINIX Hot 20i, and let me show you how to use camera timer on this device. So at first you need to open your camera app. Now tap on settings icon, and here you will notice timer. Click, pick the period of time which you want to apply, so you can activate 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. Let me pick the middle option, and now you can smoothly grab a picture with 5 seconds delay. And that's it. The picture is grabbed, then you can switch it off. Then you can switch it off the same way, so just reach timer and here pick off. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.